Here it is. The heavy wind. That's right. The heavy wind. Looked like I discovered something that looked almost like the big X in the snow, but not exactly the big X made by footprints. Looked like I discovered some X's. The big X in the snow. Here it is. A big X in the snow. Here it is. The big X in the snow. That's right. The big X. Big X's. Big X's in the snow. Here it is. Look like I discovered look almost like a big X in the snow. A big X. Here it is. There we have the big X's in the snow. The big X's. Big X. Here it is. The heavy wind. That's right. Sound like the crows are out. That looked like a funny looking leaf. Look almost like a bird feather. A funny looking leaf shaped almost like a bird feather. That would have been a snapshot. A funny looking leaf that looked almost like a bird's feather that came off a bird. Whoa, look at all the birds. Look like we got a flock of them hunting for food. Whoa, what's going on? Look like the birds are coming back. Whoa, look like I scared half of the birds away. See if I can get around those birds without scaring them away. Sounds like the crows are out, but I don't see any crows flying by. Whoa, somebody left a football behind. I bet it's in bad shape. Whoa, we got two buses parked. There you have it. Over and out. The heavy wind. That's right. Uh-oh, look like one of them is taking off. I believe that's not the bus that I was waiting on. Like us on YouTube and subscribe. The heavy wind. Oh, two UPS trucks.